How to talk to your baby. We know that being a new mother is a stressful event and you might be feeling pretty overwhelmed right now. But don't worry, because we have got you covered. Subscribe to our YouTube channel for a complete guide on motherhood. From the moment your little one is born, your baby has an effective way of communicating with you. The way is crying. One look at your baby and you will be able to tell how your baby is thinking and feeling. The process of communication starts earlier than you think. You play peekaboo with your little one. You rock them to sleep and you talk to them. And your little one has his or her ways of reciprocating too, by gurgling or cooing and even crying. Talking to your baby is not only fun, but it is also a crucial milestone in their development. Their fresh mind is just noticing the surroundings and trying to absorb it. And there you are, at the center of your baby's universe. With that being said, it is important to know how to communicate with your little one. Let us walk you through it in today's video. Why is baby talk important? Baby talk is important because it is good for your infant's brain. Infants pay attention to and are quick to respond to baby talk. This boosts up your baby's sensory development. As you may already know, about 80% of your baby's brain's physical development takes place during the first 3 months of its life. During this time, the brain increases in size and forms the neuron connections it will need to think and process information. These neuron connections, known as synapses, form a super fast rate, around 700 per second. Thus, communicating with your baby is important because it fires up those synapses and aids in brain development, especially in the language part of the brain. This is also the time where your baby is being introduced to its mother tongue. The more words your baby hears, the stronger the synapses get. Thus, talking to your baby will strengthen the communication skills and cognitive development. Infants who receive baby talk are usually smarter than their peers. Baby's first communication: crying. Most parents think that communication begins when the baby starts talking, but this is far from true. The primary step in your baby's communication is crying. Crying is how your little one signals to you what he wants or how he or she is feeling. For a newborn baby, the only way they know to communicate is through crying. From the moment your little one is born, they are in a system of constant communication with the mother through crying. Crying can say a lot about your baby, whether they are hungry, sleepy, feeling sick, uncomfortable, etc. Always keep in mind that your baby isn't crying to annoy you. Instead, he is crying to communicate with you. How does baby talk start? Crying is only a part of baby talk and your baby's communication process. But from the moment your little one sees the light of day, he is constantly communicating with you. Your little one absorbs a large amount of information right from birth. Just by observing how the parents talk and behave, the baby learns to communicate. Your newborn baby uses eye contact to communicate with you. You must have noticed that your baby usually gazes at your face and watches your mouth move. During this time, your baby is listening to you intently and trying to make sense of the world. Around 8 weeks of age, babies discover their voice. Soon your baby will start cooing and making simple sounds. And as days pass, he will make more sounds. Your baby will discover gestures like sneezing, coughing, squealing, etc. to get your attention. Your baby will also start smiling and moving his hands and legs. At this time, your baby is just starting to get the idea of communication and is eager to get your attention. Baby talk basics. Baby talk is crucial for your little one's development. And it is also the responsibility of the parents to encourage baby talk. For your little one to get the most benefits, follow these steps to encourage baby talk. Number 1. Talk to your baby often. Talkative and interactive parents tend to have smarter and alert children. Number 2. Try to fit in some alone time with your baby. One-on-one conversation is very important for your baby's development. Baby talk is most beneficial when your baby is having a direct conversation with you or your partner without anyone else around. Number 3. Make eye contact. Babies have attentive eyes and they notice everything. Thus, if you look your child in the eyes, they will respond better to speech. Number 4. Listen to your little one intently and pay attention. When your baby starts to talk back to you, don't seem distracted. Don't look away or interrupt them. A baby needs their mama's attention. You need to make your baby feel that you care by listening to them. Number 5. Limit the amount of TV your baby watches or hears. Too much TV exposure can stunt your baby's language growth. Besides, your baby should be introduced to real human talk and not TV talk. Number 6. Introduce grown-up speech and difficult words to your baby. As your baby grows older, you should mature the speech. In order to grow, your baby needs to hear how words sound in everyday conversation. This will help to develop the mother tongue. This was all you needed to know about how to talk to your baby. For more videos on motherhood, stay tuned to our YouTube channel. That's all from us today. We want you to know that your voice is important to us. So please leave a comment below. If you are new here, then click the bell icon for notifications of our new videos and subscribe to our channel. Till the next time, stay safe, stay healthy, and let your voice be heard.